What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Outdoor Garage. So, 2012 Malibu today. Got to change out the battery. The battery's dead on. It's been sitting for a while. Had to do a head gasket change. Gonna change the oil out in it, oil filter. Where we at? Air filter. Get that all fixed up. I got like 30 minutes to do it before I have to head to work. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Let's go. Just in case you don't know, on the driver's side, transmission, right here's your oil pan, there's your drain plug. I used a 15 millimeter. There's a little loose on it, but it works. Ooh, that's nasty. Now while that's draining out, I'm gonna pop this loose to help it drain a little bit quicker. So it's not cavitating. And now to that. Now the actual size of this, I don't know. Pull that out, get better clearance to it. I only use a specialty tool called pliers. Break it loose. Pain in the neck to get to. Now you loosen up a little bit, loosen up by hand. Yeah, this stuff's just beautiful. So from what I've seen, all these come with the new O-ring. It's right here, here. This one's probably fine, it looks perfect, but it comes with a new one, so I'm gonna reuse it. Pop that off with a screwdriver or a pick in my case. There's a new O-ring, slide it on. Trying to lube it up with some of the residual oil around there. New oil filter. Point's gonna be facing down. This side will go in there, kind of pop on there and be a little loose. That's what it's supposed to be. You'll move your wires back, slide it in place. Start it by hand, oil tool. Doing it with these though, over time you will mess this up. I'm not too worried about it. If you are, I'd maybe get the right wrench. Now as far as how tight to get it, when you feel resistance, a lot of resistance, just get it kind of snug and that's it. All right, get back down here. Fan's blowing it everywhere. That'd be good enough for me. Drop in your oil, pull it back out. And tighten it to just one snug-a-dug. Not two, one snug-a-dug. Now we're done down there. Back in. Now we're ready for oil. I don't always decide not to use it, but when I do, I spill it everywhere. Get back on. Now ready for the filter. Pop up, slide out. That filter ain't even got a rubber seal in it. Better than this one. That's what we're gonna use. Eventually, I plan on getting a K&N air filter anyway, so go there like this, the tab on the top left, you'll see it in there, the way it goes in and down, then pop the tab on it. Put done, all done. Now it's time for the battery. Messed up a little bit. This is not the right battery. I already took it back. It's the extra one I had. I used to try to start it up and make sure it's gonna run after the head gasket change. This is not how it goes in there. Tab's supposed to be up here. Alright, this is a bigger battery than what actually came out of it, but I'm going to try it. I think it'll be okay. Put the positive up first. Of course, it's a good idea to use this battery cable terminal protection stuff. I have a bunch of them laying around because over the years I've been collecting. Of course, you don't need all of it the first time. Now, positive first. I use the impact because my ratchet is soaked in oil. 11 millimeter. I'm going to loosen it up. I'll loosen it up a little bit. Things already loosened up. Not extremely tight, especially with the impact. This is kind of corroded, so I'm going to go get my little tool and clean that up. You might be thinking, what's a little tool? This is a little tool. It says it on the box. Ooh, look at all the junk flying out. Don't breathe that junk in. Battery acid is bad for your health. Got power. Now I'm going to put my little tool up. Tighten it up. Put all your tools back in its 5S location. Before you start it, check for excessive leaks. Whew. This car's been sitting for a while, it's a mess. Now it's time to start it. Oh, we got juice. Let's see what. No, that's not me. That's the Camaro. Woo! Oh yeah, she's good. Check engine lights going. I just cleared those with my head check engine lights, but I cleared it with my OBDLink. I think whenever I had the head gasket off and all that, it threw all types of codes, but I got it cleared. I'm gonna drive for a little bit, see if they pop back up. Handy tool to have. Not just this one, just any OBDLink that has the capability of clearing codes and reading codes. Handy to have that Bluetooth to your phone. Recommend getting one. Curious about that, I'll put a link on this down below. I also made a review about it too if you want to check that out on my channel. But anyways, she's running as always. Till next time.